Hi everyone! There was one more problem with the car. I saw that on the driver's side pillar on the left. Here for some reason the fabric of the pillar became wet. The opposite side was dry for some reason. During the rain, I saw that the situation did not change as soon as it started to rain, and this left pillar immediately began to become wet. So maybe somewhere here the windshield is leaking water. In general, I will have to try to take off this pillar and see where it leaks, and maybe it will be enough to lubricate the place with silicone. I happened to have a sagging ceiling in my car, so I took it off along with all the pillars and just decided to see what was causing the windshield to leak. Of course, visually it's hard to find something here. Everything seems to be done as in the factory, but I had the windshield itself changed, so I guess it was just badly glued. And that's why water leaks in the area of the left pillar. I was also confused by the fact that there were traces of sealant in the middle of the windshield. So, there's assumption that it leaks in the middle of the windshield at the top and then the water flows down the pillar. I will try to pour water over everything and then it will be clear exactly where the problem area is. I spilled water, and in the end it leaks exactly on the left pillar and in the very top corner. If you look closely, you can see the water where the body seam is. The top is fine, but it leaks from the corner. I also looked at the right pillar more closely, and you can see water runoff in the corner as well. Ideally, I will try to remove the plastic windshield liners and then apply silicone to them. The moldings are not difficult to remove, they are fastened with 4 brackets. It is enough to pull up the molding and it will come off. After removing the moldings, look at the corner of the windshield and use a compressor and drags to remove all the accumulated dirt there. After cleaning, I looked closely at the corner of the glass and saw that the glass had peeled away from the silicone and so the corner was becoming wet. But since I don't want to replace the glass, so I took out more roof molding, and then in the corner I will apply silicone. After the glass is siliconized, I put back the roof molding, windshield liner, and that I wait until the silicone dries. After the silicone dried, I poured water on the glass, but there's still water leaking in the corner. Next, it remains to apply silicone to the windshield, but from the interior of the car. I wrapped the glass with painter's tape and ran silicone on the joint of the post. Very much added silicone in the corners. After it dried, I waited for it to rain and checked that the rack was no longer getting wet. There are water leaks in the corner of the rack again, and it's still leaking. See, here you can see that there is water and even water dripping from the corner. I can assume that the problem area is higher, so I'll try to bend the ceiling of the cabin, and again they're all a good smear it. But properly, this glass should be replaced, or the whole thing should be reglaid. What did I end up doing? I bent the ceiling back a little bit, and once again I put some grease on it, and I did it especially well in the corners. Now I waited for the rain, and I see that this time there are no water droplets here. So next I assemble the interior pillar and see if it gets wet in the future or not. Anyway, I drove the car for a while longer. It rained a few more times. I put the pillars on and I see that nothing is leaking yet. The silicone seems to hold, the rack ends up dry, only there is some condensation from the wheel sheet and the bottom, or maybe it's a dirty stain on the fabric itself. The right pillar is also without traces of drips, but we'll see what happens in the future. That's all. See you soon in the next videos.